Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can use dynamic content-specific fields in Webflow. So let's get started. In Webflow, dynamic content is powered by something called collection fields. These are special field types that let you structure and control your seam's content in flexible ways. Each field type is designed for a different purpose, depending on the kind of content you want to display. Let's break down how these fields work. You can start by adding a plain text field, which lets you connect simple, unformatted text to any text element on your site. Then there's the rich text field, perfect for longer content like blog posts, allowing you to add formatted text, headings, and media. If you want to display images, you can use the image field for single images, or a multi-image field when you need several images in one collection item. For videos, the video field lets you connect YouTube or Vimeo links directly to your Webflow project. Need to connect links or contact details? You can use link fields, email fields, and phone fields to make your content interactive and connected. The number field and data time field are great for adding numeric values or setting up time-based data, which can be connected to any text element. You can even control visibility with a switch field, perfect for yes/no or true/false options in your collection. For design flexibility, Webflow also gives you color fields to add unique colors and option fields to create predefined choices. If you need to upload documents or files, the file field is your go-to option. And if you want to connect one collection to another, reference fields and multi-reference fields let you link multiple items together, making your content even more dynamic. So, by using these fields properly, you can create dynamic pages that update automatically whenever you change the content in your CMS. It's one of the most powerful features in Webflow for managing blogs, portfolios, or e-commerce stores. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.